Hi everybody, Julie here, ready to make a brand new tutorial for you. So first up, obviously we do our safety first. So I am going to get my respirator and my gloves on and let's get started. So first off, I love to use my silicone cups so I can measure and easily take the resin out after. I'm going to use Let's Resin for this project, part A and B. So this is a 1-to-1 resin. So for those beginners out there, what that means is that you will measure equal parts A and B. So first up, I've poured my part B into my silicone cup, and I believe I did 200 milliliters for this piece. And then I have opened up my part A and I have poured another 200 milliliters into one single cup. Now that we have our part A and B inside our silicone cup, I'm going to take my silicone stir stick and I'm going to slowly mix up this resin for approximately 5 to 6 minutes, maybe 7, and I'm going to be scraping the sides and the bottom and also scraping the stick. I also use my respirator mask. I have a couple. This is my 3M respirator mask. And as you can see, the resin is almost fully mixed up. You want to mix it up so you don't see any more striations or lines in the resin. Now that our resin is all mixed up, I have poured the resin into individual cups and added the certain pigment colors that I wanted to use for this project. So my first cup is the clear resin with the gold leaf. Then I have my second cup, which has the pink mica powder. My third color of choice is a purple mica powder. It looks stunning. My fourth choice is the white pigment paste. And then I have a turquoise pigment paste. Very happy with all these colors, and I'm very excited about how this is going to look when I pour it into the mold. Next up, I'm using a dog paw mold to create a really cute trinket dish. So we are going to slowly pour this into the top lid of the trinket dish. My goodness, look at those colors blending together. Okay, next up, we're gonna pour into the base of the mold, and this is the other part of the paw print. And I just love how these colors are combining together to make the most dreamy trinket dish. So it is now the best part of the entire process, the demolding process. Oh my goodness, look at the top of this paw print. I'm just loving how it turned out with the hot pink and turquoise. And now let's do the base. It's a little bit tough here along the bottom, but everything worked out perfectly. There were no bubbles or flaws in the resin itself. And so I'm very happy with how this piece turned out. And I do have a special little surprise for you at the end, because you're gonna get to see who I made this for. And